Ring push-up, low rings. If you're an adult gymnastics skill seeker who wants to unlock skills on the gymnastics rings, you'll need to build horizontal pressing strength on the rings. This is where low ring push-ups can help. Here's how it works. The lower the rings are to the ground, the more challenging the push-up will be. Set the rings to a height that allows you to perform ring push-ups with good form for the specified number of repetitions. Ensure the rings are roughly shoulder width apart. Kneel down on the floor and grip a ring in each hand. Turn the palms of the hands to face forward. This is the ring turnout or RTO position. Keep the arms straight as you move to the top of the push-up. Step the feet back, place the feet together and contract your quads to straighten the legs. You may need to move your feet to ensure the ring straps are vertical and to have your shoulders leaning slightly forward of the wrists. The arms will be at a slight forward leaning angle and the shoulders should be protracted, spreading the shoulder blades across your back and rounding the upper back. From here, set a strong posterior pelvic tilt, PPT, by contracting your glutes and tucking your tailbone between your legs. Push the heels of the feet together as this will increase the glute contraction and create tension in the body, which helps you to maintain the hollow body shape. From the top of the push-up, initiate the movement by moving the shoulders forward as you flex the elbows and lower down to the bottom position. As you do this, rotate the rings into a neutral position with the palms of your hands facing inwards. The legs must remain straight, the pelvis must remain in PPT, and the elbows must stay close to the sides of your body. The aim is to have the elbows vertically stacked above the wrists or slightly forward of the wrists, but never moving behind the vertical line of the wrists. To achieve this, the shoulders must move forward of the rings. Continue to lower down until the shoulders are parallel to the wrists or slightly below. Think about pinching the shoulder blades together behind the back and keeping them depressed. Do not allow the shoulders to shrug up towards the ears. Once at the bottom, reverse the movement by pressing down into the rings and contracting your pecs and chest muscles. Maintain the hollow body shape and rotate the rings as you press back to the top of the push-up. At the top, turn the rings out, the RTO position. Retract the shoulders to round the upper back. Pausing at the top is a useful way to build straight arm pressing strength for movements such as the planche. Ring push-ups are a foundation movement on the rings, but they're also great for building and maintaining upper body horizontal pressing strength. Beginners might start by performing 3 to 5 sets of 3 to 5 reps with a 3-second pause at the top of each rep. More experienced adult gymnastics skill seekers can increase the reps to 50, 20 or beyond. Give it a try and see how you go. If you've got questions, please leave them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.